Hey guys, John Kapler here from Arch Commander, and today I'm diving into the Green Machine 62-volt multi-tool system. This features a base unit to provide the power and a selection of attachments you can attach to it for various functions. I'll walk you through the base unit and each attachment, plus give honest opinions, helpful demos, and whether this Green Machine is worth your green bucks. Let's go. First up, the 62-volt multi-tool power head. It comes with a 2.5 amp lithium-ion battery and a charger. You get a brushless motor, dual speed control, variable speed trigger, and a tool-free quick change attachment system. It's about 36 inches long and weighs around 7 pounds. It has a solid feel to it, and it uses the same Green Machine battery that powers all the other Green Machine tools as well. So if you have the hedge trimmer, chainsaw, or blower, you can use the same battery in any of these tools. The base unit has a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery coverage, so clearly Green Machine is standing behind their product. Oh, and in case you didn't know, Green Machine products are made right here in the US, which is really cool. All right, let's meet the attachments for this multi-tool. 10-inch pole saw attachment, 20-inch hedge trimmer attachment, 9-inch edger attachment, 16-inch string trimmer attachment, and the 32-inch extension shaft. Each one clicks right in, no tools needed, and runs on the same battery. It's basically like turning one tool into a whole garage of gear. Let's go through these one by one. First up is the 16-inch string trimmer. You get a nice wide cutting swath and a bump feed head for quick line advance. I love that you can switch between eco and sport modes depending on whether you're doing light trimming or powering through thicker grass. It definitely does not lack any power and can easily clear thick grass without a problem. Next is the 9-inch edger. This attachment gives you super crisp lines along sidewalks and driveways. It has an adjustable guide wheel, metal gearbox, and it feels solid but light in your hands. I also like to use this tool to cut in my flower beds in the spring and fall before I mulch. It has no problem cutting through our thick Virginia clay, which is a testament to the build quality of this edger attachment. Next up, we have the 20-inch hedge trimmer attachment. Dual action blades, 1-inch cut capacity, and a rotating handle so you can get those awkward angles without breaking your wrist. This attachment is a game changer for me because we have quite a few tall bushes in our front yard. Before I had this tool, I would use the Green Machine hedge trimmer to trim as much as I could on ground level and then use a ladder to reach the top of the bush. Not only is this a bit dangerous, but it was a hassle lugging a ladder out each time to do this. But with the hedge trimmer attachment, I'm able to reach the top of the bush without a ladder. Next up is the 10-inch pole saw, which is perfect for pruning. Add the 32-inch extension shaft and you can reach way up without a ladder, which is both safer and way faster. I love using the pole saw to remove tree branches. It allows me to get the extra height with the saw so I don't need a ladder, and is perfect for smaller limbs where a full chainsaw would be overkill. All right, let's get into the pros and cons of the Green Machine multi-tool. Here's what I love. One battery system for everything, which is super convenient. You get a brushless motor and variable speed, which means quiet, powerful performance. And switching out the attachments is easy. It can be done without any tools. It's also backed by a generous warranty, so I can use this tool without holding back, knowing that if something happens, I'm taken care of. A few things to think about though. The 2.5 amp battery is fine for most jobs, but if you have a big yard, you may want a backup battery. Also, some attachments like the hedge trimmer are sold as tool only, so budget that if you need an extra battery. And depending on the attachment and if you have the extension pole attached, this can get fairly heavy. Trimming the bushes with the hedge trimmer is definitely an arm workout, which I don't mind, but could be an issue if you don't have a lot of upper body strength. But overall, definitely way more pros than cons, and I have not found anything that would prevent me from using this tool or recommending it to others. To sum it up, the Green Machine 62-volt multi-tool is a really nice addition to your tool arsenal. One power head that turns into a trimmer, an edger, a saw, and more. And if you're all about simplicity or storage space or versatility, this is a great buy. And since it's battery operated, you don't have to worry about gas, oil, filters, or gas stabilizers in the wintertime. I definitely recommend it for small to medium yards. If you do have a big yard, I would grab that second battery so you don't have to stop mid-project. Let me know in the comments which attachment you think you'd use the most, and if you're ready to purchase this tool or any of the attachments, check the link in the description below. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you found value in this video, please hit that like button and give us a follow. See you guys in the next video.